How to remove a graphics card from an old computer. You will see a screw on the back of the graphics card. Unscrew the screw so that we can lift off the back clip. Now you can see there is a clip on the graphics card. Firmly push it and apply some force to the graphics card so that it pops out. Make sure it pops out. If it doesn't pop out, do not apply force because it could damage the pins on the graphics card. After some trial and error, you must be able to remove the graphics card from the system. And voila, your graphics card is now removed from your computer.